Hey everyone, my name is Joschka and I'm a senior software engineer here at Harvest. Today I want to show you our latest major update to Forecast, which is task level scheduling. You see, until today, you could only schedule and plan your team's time for a project without any additional granularity. But especially when using Forecast alongside Harvest, that has always been a significant limitation because your assignments in Forecast would never truly map to how your team actually works and how your project budgets may be set up and how time is ultimately tracked in Harvest. But starting now with task level assignments, you'll have much more granular control over that data in Forecast because you can assign your team to specific tasks on any given project. This brings the same clarity to that schedule time that Harvest already provides for your track time. Now, let me show you how this works. Any Forecast account that's connected to Harvest will have no other setup needed in order to start benefiting from task scheduling right away. So any project that's linked to a Harvest project, once we assign to it using the exact same flow that you're already used to, will now allow us to choose an optional task for every single assignment. So in this case, we've assigned Nicole, and we can choose the support task. And after saving, we'll start seeing this assignment end up in a new group that shows the task name that we've chosen. Which means if we assign another person, let's say we'll assign Yitao to the same project and the same task, we'll choose support here again, those assignments will get grouped together. And if one of those two people has an assignment for a different task, let's assign Yitao, for example, to the research task as well, those assignments will be kept separate in their respective groups. And what this further allows for the first time ever in Forecast is that you can assign the same person to the same project on the same dates as long as they are for different tasks. So if this assignment moves over to next week, and we leave it on the research task, this is now possible because Yitao now has two assignments on the same dates, but on different tasks. And if we switch over to the team view to view the time for an individual, those assignments are also grouped together under the project, showing their respective tasks. And if we then assign the same person to a different project, and maybe in this case we don't even choose a task, those assignments will also be kept in separate groups, making it real easy to spot conflicts and discrepancies in the plan and also communicating this to your team in the end. And if we want to change the tasks that we can choose from, all we have to do is switch over to Harvest, and on the individual projects, you can then edit those projects. And at the bottom, you'll choose the task, and let's add a new one here. For example, we can add the business development task that's available. Saving this project now means that going back to Forecast, we'll be able to choose the business development task that wasn't previously in the list for the task scheduling project here, just the same. So now every person in Forecast can be assigned to this task on this project as well. And we really believe that this will change how you can plan your time and how you can communicate your schedule with your team. This is already live for everyone in your Forecast accounts. And if you don't have a Forecast account, please go over to getharvest.com/forecast to sign up and give task scheduling a try.